Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. We're talking about how to design a child dedication flyer. Look at this, she's a beautiful young lady sleeping in bed. Alright. So let's dive into the class proper. We downloaded our assets. Look at our list of our assets here. The baby, we have different babies we will want to use for this pack, for this design. So now let's just select, let's use A5 size for this design. Let's step it out. You draw your own rectangle like this. Press P to centralize. It's just a sketch. Then right click and drag in your image that I want to use and drop. This is the image I like, and I would like to use. I would like to use this image, and then I'm looking forward to use another one. This one, drag in, and then I'll readjust it. Just to readjust. Press shift page down so that it will go. Then I want to use this transparency tool here to transparent this in like this. To transparent it, you make it transparent. Make it transparent like this. Readjust it. Readjust. So this is how it's going. Then we'll now go for our details of this design. You go to your, this is my notepad, the family of late engineer Tiles Sule, like that. First copy the first part. Let's copy the first part of it. So we are trying, this is drafting. We are trying to draft out. Yes, trying to draft out the information. Cordially invites you to Thanksgiving. All right, from here we'll note that there is a theme of this design: the Thanksgiving and the child dedication. Let's remove the of their daughter. Let's remove that. We have, this design has its theme: Thanksgiving, Mass, and their daughter. Let's paste that differently. Let's readjust it. Then from here, and we'll use a short form of and. Then we'll have different font styles that I would like to use. Thanksgiving, I think the first one, let's break it. Remove the Thanksgiving, sorry. I'll paste it one side. So for instance, this, let's look for a very nice font. Oh no. Yes, let's drag in. It's Thanksgiving Mass. I think this font, on this font will serve us for a Thanksgiving Mass. That's one. And then this, a child dedication. Child dedication. Child dedication. Then we'll select and centralize. Let's adjust it like this. Let's push this baby upwards. And then here Oh, I'm thinking let's give it an outline. We can see no, or we'll just draw an ellipse and let's give it a color. We'll give it a color of red, for instance. Then press Ctrl page shift page up, sorry, to bring it up like this. Then this, let's use Bebas for this font. Press enter. Share dedication. And then let's use Bebas. For this, let's give it another color. A light. Then let's change the color of this to, let's say, white. Or white comes out better. Let's remove the outline. This outline here. Let's readjust. Select it. Select the child education. Remember, we want to intersect in between. This intersect means let's press shift and hold and drag like this. Then select this ellipse and press shift and select the dedication text. And then from here you see trim. When you click on trim, something has happened. Then select it and then reduce it. It has trimmed that edge of that. So that is what we want from there. Child dedication. Then of their daughter, we'll now bring it under here. We'll change. Yes. We'll change it under like this. So this is the man who has successfully discovered this is the main idea. This is the main idea behind this whole So on that note, we'll go back to, yes, this is the name of the baby, Michelle. We'll copy it, Michelle Tilly. So from here, let's try to duplicate Michelle. This is the name of the baby. So this is the main topic. It's supposed to be bigger than any other thing here. Michelle Tilly. Let's group it and then click to centralize it. By grouping it, you press Ctrl G and then you group any. Then back to, I don't want this tutorial to be long. This is date. We select the date, time, and venue. This is the date, time, and venue respectively. Let's select, this is what we group. We'll undo it. Then click, bring it down, then paste. This is the time, date, and venue for it. You don't just design like that. Time, date, and venue respectively. This is the, when you want to create emphasis, you give space. When we're trying to create emphasis on that, on this here, that I want to be, so let's give it a white color. Create emphasis. So let's bring the text up, select it, press shift page up so that the text will come up. Then Let's select, let's change it. Then this will now change it to this. Cordially invites you. Cordially invites you. Invites you to the Thanksgiving. So once somebody looks at this, we are trying to solve a problem. The moment anybody looks at this, the person's mind is tailored towards a baby, child education. So, and I want us to adjust this. Let's adjust this from within. I think I want the baby to be smaller. And then so that we can work with the text up, or we can just change. And don't worry, let's leave it this way. Let's leave it the way it was, like this. Let's leave it at this juncture like this. This is a perfect kind of. I don't want this tutorial. It's very simple. Just rearrange it to your taste. And if you love this tutorial, reach out for more. If you have any difficulties, please use the comment section. Thank you, and subscribe for more.